Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 10 of Vlogmas and I'm showing you how I'm getting started on making my best friend's patchwork quilt for Christmas. And I'm so happy to finally getting started on this and that I found the perfect fabrics for it. She is obsessed with plants and I thought making this quilt for her bed to match her aesthetic will please her. I am doing 5x5 squares and this is how the layout is going to be. So let's get started sewing! I did 6 rows, but I think it needs to be a bit longer, so I did 10 instead. And that's all I got so far. I know this clip is very short, but I am starting to do some stitch in the ditches as we speak. Colors are flowing nicely together and looks very vibrant. I think she's gonna love it and I can't wait to see her reaction. As for my first time ever doing the patchwork, I kind of like it and I want to make one for myself, but that's gonna be so long in the future. Like, I'm very happy with my quilt so far and I wouldn't trade it for the world, but we'll see what happens. So if you guys like this little video of myself making my first time ever patchwork quilt, please give this video a nice like, and if you want to follow me and my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more further content I will do for the Vlogmas challenge as well as the new year. And I would like to say thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.